Vacuum leak test on food pouch. Do you want to get rid of vacuum leaks present in pouches? If yes, then Presto Vacuum Leak Tester Digital provides the ultimate solution. Start by placing the sample inside the desiccator and press the start button. Increase the vacuum pressure with the help of flow control valve and test your sample for vacuum leakage. In 30 seconds you will be able to detect the leakage present in the sample. In this way, you can easily test your sample against vacuum leakage and deliver accurate quality products. Contact us now for a free sample testing session.